Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away.
Have arrived at Disney Pop Century. Here we come. I'm excited. I'm excited now that we're here.
We're so excited! So excited!
Sissy's first time.
I am excited. Right?
Come on.
They're painting the walls and putting up, like how they is at the front. This whole wall's gonna be that way. You find some Spidey sunglasses? Cool. Princess ones, Hazel. I love those. Oh, let's put it back right. Yep. Good job. Thank you. Candy. Well, we're gonna go to the water park in a minute, okay?
Hey.
We're trying to see when our room is gonna be ready.
Later in the trip, we're gonna buy you a sucker, okay?
We have just arrived. We are going to pick out our resort mugs. Yeah, we're gonna get a new one this trip too, okay? Yay! We are looking at the food area. It's new. Yeah, it's new. They didn't have that last time. Yeah.
Lights and so
Hazel.
it's been so much time.
Dada.
Come on.
Hazel. Whoa. Going to Typhoon Lagoon. Check-in day.
We got some pineapple upside down cake with pineapple Dole Whip, pineapples, and white chocolate cone. So the girls are gonna try it first. Go girls. Cheers.
We're trying it first without you?
Yeah.
Oh, what is this?
Pineapple Dole Whip.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is the Dole Whip, huh? At Disney.
How is
It's very
it?
good, though.
It's very good.
It's very pineapple-y. Yeah, I have to dig in there for that. It's very pineapple-y.
We got this with a nice snack
Scared.
credit.
Scared I'll get a B.
Hazel's having a Mickey bar.
Get in there, mama. Mm-hmm.
That's delicious.
Isn't it?
Oh, it's refreshing.
It's very good.
How's the cake? Did you have some cake?
The cake is good.
The cake's good.
Maybe a little dry.
It's a little dry.
Yeah, very
Is that caramel?
got caramel in there, pineapple Dole Whip, pineapple tidbits. It's quite delicious.
It is delicious.
It is delicious. Yeah.
That's a white chocolate cone.
Mm.
It's impossible to bite. It's impossible to bite? We had
Get another hand.
ice cream break, and now we are leaving. So cute.
Huh?
You're so cute, baby.
Oh, thanks.
Hazel, did you have fun? Leaving out, babe. How was it? We had a great time. Very happy that we were able to come back. Typhoon Lagoon again, and now we are headed back to the hotel. We're staying at Pops and Shirley, and we're going to check in. Well, we checked in earlier, but our room wasn't ready, so we came on to the water park. Now we're gonna go back to our room, get ready for dinner. Grab Boma. Time to eat. Went home to our resort, washed up. Now we're about to eat some good food. What are you hoping for? Oxtails. We ate. We're full. Yeah. Was it yummy? Yeah. We love Boma, right? Yeah. Are you so happy to be at Disney again? Yeah. I love you.